Bye. Smash it.
Dun, dun, dun.
Time to get hit in the private.
Right, give that.
Oh. I'm opening this big one because I know what it is.
That's off Grandad John, that's the big one. Okay?
I know what that big one is. And is it showing a bit? Yeah, it's a telly. Are you sure it is? Yeah, it is. It's telly. I'm a huge telly. Everyone go. Oh my God.
Yeah, Luca.
It's that.
Yeah, these are yours, yeah.
It's that. What's this?
Wow,
Open it.
Dad. Is that a new telly, Sonny?
Yeah.
For his bedroom.
Wow!
What have you got?
Oh, wow.
Sonny, make sure he doesn't scratch your telly.
Yeah.
That's for the back.
You get the back after it, that's one open that.
If you bring this proper sweet coffee on.
What is it?
Oh. Relative.
Oh no, that's sellotape.
How do we go?
What is it?
Pumpkin head.
Oh, good.
Pumpkin head.
What have you got, Luca?
It's a wrecking ball. Bang. Look. Is it a ball?
If you open Sonny,
No,
Is it a
this is.
basketball?
Want me to help you?
Is it a basketball or football? Lily, what's in it? Can I open this one? No. It's so heavy.
Oh, Luca, look at this.
Heavy. Not heavy, Dad.
Yeah, good Sonny is.
It's a maybe that one could be a basketball. Yeah, that one must be a basketball. Yes. Everyone, does it run out? Ow,
What's the telly again?
Football. Can I help? No, it's not. It is?
Can Dash open one for you?
Yeah. Oh, how does this Whoa, guys! I need help! Guys, look, I found one! Golden, can I open it? Because it's
No,
shiny?
it's the Sonny, mate.
No, it's shiny.
No, don't snatch. Yeah, where's your toy, Luca, that you got?
Where'd
Where'd it go?
I have two. More okay than Warriors. What? What do you have?
Why? Why, it's nice weather. You can go out and play with your new balls in the goals,
Yeah.
can't you? Hey,
What's Sonny? Oh, am I next to save? I got these ones. Like, oh, I thought that you can open
No,
one.
they're for Sonny.
Don't
go
I
on.
think I might
Don't have Sonny
get the
try it.
ring off. Can I open this one? Yeah.
Yeah.
That was easy. Ow. More back car. What's in here, Dad?
Oh, let Sonny open them. Let Sonny open them.
I got mine. Sonny, this is Minecraft for my Switch. Oh, what's in here? Minecraft. Darcy. I'm opening mine. Oh, I'm opening. Yeah, you're opening. I'm not good enough.
Luca's open them out for you, Sonny. What's that one? What's that game, Sonny? Luca's got?
What?
What's the game he's got?
Among Us. And I got Minecraft. Diamond sword, I can defeat Luca. Oh, what's this? Who wants to open this? Me! Darcy. Because you're dead.
Go. The second you hit someone with that, it's gone.
Give it! Give it,
No,
man!
no.
Sonny? Thanks. Can I open one? You can have that. You might like that one.
Oh, Sonny, look what's in that bag.
Lucky figures.
Look at that, for school.
This is the funniest game I've ever heard.
Yeah, Minecraft onesie.
I'm gonna open this one.
Dun, dun, dun.
Isn't this the funniest game you've heard? This is me! I got that. Where's the... Dad?
What?
Where's the arena?
I don't know. Did you want the arena?
Yeah?
Oh, this is
Oh,
the
here it is! There it is. Oh, Dad, where's the arena? Did you get the arena? Yeah. Sorry. No, we do. Yeah, I do pick my nose, so I should have that. What? I should have that because I picked my nose. Yeah? Do you actually? Yeah. You know right now.
Look at them shorts, Sonny.
How is everybody here?
Oh, don't, mate. I don't need that.
How is that big?
Keep them away from the signs.
Right.
Yeah. Away from the
I'm gonna play, okay? I'm gonna blow you up.
Okay.
I'm gonna play this.
Sonny,
That's your
Kiss.
piece of sex.
Happy birthday, mate. Okay, say bye-bye to everyone.